Yes.
A snake?
Yes.
No way. No way. Wait, where's the snake? Where's the snake? No. Here it is. I just saw one. I just saw a fish.
Oh, do you see it yet? The snake? Careful.
Can I hold your hand?
Sure. Careful. Oh.
Fish here.
Careful, there's snake there.
Dad, where is the snake? Where is the snake?
Don't go that way. He was resting on that rock.
He's waiting on the rock. Where's he now?
No, he went to the, you see the yellow flowers? He went on that bush.
Oh.
But he's right in that rock. Right next on my face.
Oh my
See that
God.
rock right there?
Yeah. So he went into the bush
Yeah,
now?
in the bush. I think we scared each other.
Ah!
Wait, do you see him?
No, I don't want to go see him.
It's cold. One time I actually saw a sea snake. No, you can't. You get it? You got it, Isaac? Where is he, guys? Did you get one?
Isaac and Brayden, put your net, both of you net on that side. I'm gonna, look, yeah, both of you, right next to Brayden. Like this. Okay.
Wait, we need to find some bait, though.
No, go right next to Brayden. I'm gonna go.
It's so close. Oh my
I
God,
have a
it's so
tadpole
close.
here.
Get in.
I got a tadpole.
You gotta be quiet so it doesn't
Isaac, hurry
hear
up.
you.
I got a tadpole. There's the bucket.
A bucket's here.
I got a tadpole.
Oh, you got it?
I didn't get the fishes. I'm trying to catch a fish and a snake.
I got one.
There's fishes over there. There's some like
Come on,
swimming
please.
right there.
No. You have to get me steady, Isaac. Isaac, you have
Isaac,
to
there's a
steady
lot
like
here
that.
too.
They're very fast.
Isaac, there's on this side, there's a lot of them, see?
I saw like 5.
Uh-huh.
I saw or 6.
Don't move it.
No, it went under the bushes over there. But it might come back out.
Oh, do you get any?
Gigantic.
I know, it's huge.
Look
What
at-
gigantic?
What's huge? He's got fish.
Oh.
Wait, is it in the bucket? Yeah.
Fish or the tadpole or both?
Where? I'm supposed to get it. Well, yeah, it's in the bucket.
Oh, the snake's right here.
Ah!
I mean, it's still here.
Oh my God.
Mommy, it's here! The snake!
It's moving.
Where?
Oh, the head is right there. The head's right there. The head's right there. The head is right there. You see the yellow flower? It's a brown color. The head. You see the head?
Okay, that's bad.
Yeah.
Luke, come quick!
Mommy, come
Yeah?
closer.
No.
Just come from over there to
The head is
here.
out.
Oh my
Where is
God.
it? Oh my God.
Don't go closer.
No. There's an actually a snake. Wait, where's the snake?
There's a snake right there. Where was it? The head's right sticking out. Oh, I see it. You know what kind of snake that is? No, I don't really know my snakes. Okay.
Where's that snake? Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
so it's not in
What?
the water.
I just got the snake
Where the
right
yellow
here.
flowers are.
Oh no, it's stuck. Oh, I found the water.
Mama.
Hmm? Ooh, let me see. What you got? What is this, babe?
I think it's a frog.
Oh my God! What is that?
I think it's gonna
Can I
become a frog.
touch it?
Huh?
Can I touch it?
Oh my God!
I want
There's big one. I said, you touching it? Oh my God!
It's not moving. Does it need
Oh, is it moving now?
Wait, how about we pour it into another bucket?
Oh yeah, you can put it in a bigger bucket. Yes.
Oops, sorry.
Go ahead. Is it gonna overflow? Hang on, let me. Ah!
Oh, he has
Oh my
more
God!
space
It is.
now. Wait, he's in the middle. He's in a pupa right now.
Oh.
He's in a pupa right now.
Oh my God!
He's in the pupa form. He's in the pupa. He's in the pupa. Aww. So
Cute.
it's so like floppy, like. Thank you. He's so cute.
Hey, I'm just gonna put it there. Hopefully there's no frog.
Wait, we have gotten a bait. We have gotten some bait.
Good job, Papa.
You wanna zoom in the snake from the bridge?
Oh my
Go to
gosh.
the bridge.
Uh-huh. Mm.
Go to the bridge.
Mm-mm.
You can see it from the bridge better.
Yeah, I know.
You can see from the bridge.
Yeah, he's out. Totally out.
Oh my. Is it the big one or the baby one?
It's about this tall,
Oh.
but it's like 2 inch.
Uh.
You want me to take a video?
Mm-hmm. You got a good eyes.
Well, you scared me. I didn't see it. Audrey, you want to go see it from here? Odd.
I'm just gonna give her a day.
Okay.
Give her a day.
Come on. I think that's a black cobra.
Cobra? Maybe not a cobra.
Brayden, look behind you, the Miliana. Brayden, over there is already like got disturbing. So over here, there,
Yeah, I don't know if that's a cobra.
there's like.
The head is kind of skinny.
My brother knows his snakes.
Oh, he does snake?
Yeah, I have 2 brothers, and one of my brother has a snake.
Oh, really?
No, not.
He has a snake?
No, he doesn't. I meant to say he actually he knows lots of snakes,
Oh, okay, yeah, I don't like
including
snakes.
those ones.
Yeah, I'm scared of snakes.
Me too. My mom's really scared of snakes and spiders.
Oh, yeah, I don't like spiders either.
Me too.